friends, it's Jessie here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. For today's video, I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. I do apologize for the crazy background of this video. I'm trying to get the best lighting. Struggling a lot. I've set my camera up in 3 or 4 different locations in my house today, and this is the best I can do. So enjoy the cat tree behind me. You may or may not see cats popping in and out of the frame here, so hopefully it's not too distracting. It's been a while since I did a Stitch Fix box. Truthfully, I used to do Stitch Fix all the time, and I do love their clothes. I love the quality. What I don't love is the prices. Some of their items are pretty pricey. The quality is top-notch, but some of the prices are a little bit up there, so I've been taking fewer Stitch Fix boxes just so that I can meet my financial goals with my budget. But if you don't know, early November is my birthday. I'm gonna be 40, and I thought, you know what? Let's treat myself. Let me get a Stitch Fix box, see if I can find a cute outfit for my birthday. I don't have any major celebration plans, but if I'm looking cute, maybe turning 40 won't be so bad, right? So I put in a request for a Stitch Fix box. I have it here. I did do a little sneak peek to see what was coming. And so I know that there's a lot of really basic items in here. I've got like a full outfit, so the try-on will be relatively quick because everything can go on at the same time. I'll share it with you and we'll see if I can find some really great like items that I can't live without. So if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is an online styling service. You can go on and request a stylist to send you a Stitch Fix. It costs $20 for your styling fee. Your stylist will look at your little quiz that you fill out and try to get a feel for your style. And we'll send you 5 clothing pieces for you to try on in the comfort of your own home. If you try everything on and you love it, you can keep it and pay for it and you're all set. Anything you don't love, you can throw in the provided mailer and just ship it back. So the $20 styling fee comes off the top of anything you purchase. If you decide not to keep anything, then you're out that $20. Sorry friends, I just got a call from my husband. No idea where I was or what I was talking about, but I will put all of the information for Stitch Fix down below. I do have a code. I'm not affiliated with Stitch Fix. They don't really know who I am, but everybody who joins Stitch Fix gets a friend code that they can refer their friends. So I'll link that down below. If you use my code, I think you get $25 in Stitch Fix credit or something. So definitely take advantage of that if you're interested. Now let's go ahead and get into what's in the box. So, oh, I've got a handbag. I forgot about that. Okay, so in here, there is my little bundle of goodies. There is my mailer to ship everything back. So anything I don't like, I can just pop in here, mail it back without any worries. So much easier than returning things to the store. And then there's also a little note here from my stylist. Looks like they are doing things a little bit different than the last time I got a box. It has been a while since I did a Stitch Fix box. I'll try to adjust this a little bit. Sorry, I took the kitty cameo out, but I'm a little bit backlit. I'm trying my best here, you guys. So, my note from my stylist, Jackie, I think, is how you say her name. It's J-A-K-E-E. It's the same stylist I've had for years now. I really, really like her. She really gets my style. She said, "Happy fall. It's always a pleasure styling you and seeing your name pop up on my queue. Fall is a time of rich colors, cozy layers, and comfy fabrics. So let's freshen up your wardrobe with some of these great new styles, shall we? Don't forget to keep choosing preview pics and leaving me with lots of feedback so I can bring a smile to your face with every new fix. You've picked some wonderful pieces that are perfect for the season." So that's the other thing Stitch Fix does, is they do a little preview of a bunch of different things that could possibly show up in your Stitch Fix. And you can go through and select whether you want them to go into your box or you don't. They call it a style preview. I took a couple of the things that they offered me and went ahead and added them to my box. So that's what she's talking about. She said, "The dark green 9 Britain top with its button detail is a great choice for adding a touch of elegance to your everyday look. To complete your request for a full outfit, I've added the Indigo Liverpool skinny jeans. I really love Liverpool jeans, but they are spendy. Which will pair beautifully with a top for a sleek silhouette. The black MIA booties are a chic addition, offering both style and comfort, perfect for stepping out in confidence. So the way that they're doing it now is you have your little stylist note on your price sheet, and there's a little QR code that you can scan to see the various outfits they suggest with the different items. I don't love this because what I like to do, or what I liked to do in the past, was put everything on, try everything, see how I like it without having the price of the item influence me. Here I just have the prices right in front of me when I read my stylist note, so I'll have to remember that in the future and not look at my stylist note until after I've tried everything on. But I have all of the prices here. I'll be able to share them with you as we go. So let's just get started with the items. Very first thing in here is a handbag, and I think this is so cute. It's a little gray purse. Looks like it's got a crossbody strap here. I love a good crossbody bag. It is from the brand Urban Expressions. I have had a handbag from this brand before, and it was pretty decent quality. This is the Anissa crossbody in gray, and it's just a really cute handbag. It's got, I don't want to like pull it apart too much in case I don't end up keeping it, but it's got a couple of zipper pockets. There's the crossbody strap down inside. It also looks like it has a little braided shoulder strap, which is super cute. This I think would be great for fall. Do I need a handbag? No, but like I said, it is going to be my birthday soon, so maybe we will add this to my birthday present to myself. This bag is $60 though. It's a little bit spendy. The thing about Stitch Fix, like I said, their quality is really great, but their prices are a little bit higher. And I have noticed over time that the places that I normally shop, like Walmart, Old Navy, that sort of thing, the prices are lower, but their items aren't quite as high quality, so it all kinds of evens out. The items from Stitch Fix tend to last me a little bit longer, and since most of what I get from Stitch Fix is pretty basic, it's stuff that I can wear over and over and over again for my lifestyle. So sometimes it's worth the splurge. All right, let's get into my bundle here. It's a look at my little burrito, and it just all fell apart. So to go with the gray handbag, I have a gray cardigan here, which I love a good cardigan. It's from the brand Letty and Me, which I have had before. This is just a really nice lightweight cardigan. There's no buttons or anything down the front. I always do my best to show you these items, but really you'll get a better feel for them when I put them on during the try-on. It's a size 3X, really soft. It's got a little hood, which I think is a cute detail. This is the Letty and Me Adele hooded rib sleeve cardigan in light gray, size 3X. And it does look like it has pockets, which are a necessity. So let's see what the price point is on this one. $49. Okay, so that's that. Here are the jeans that she mentioned in her stylist note. They are by the brand Liverpool, which I have had before. They are pretty good quality, but yeah, these are $99. Very expensive. They are skinny jeans, which is my preference. I know it ages me, but you can pry my skinny jeans from my cold dead millennial hands, okay? I like a boot cut jean as well, or a straight fit, but skinny jeans, especially in the fall and winter when I'm wearing boots and stuff, I like to tuck my jeans in. So yeah, you are never going to take my skinny jeans away from me. So here they are. They're just sort of a dark wash. They are a size 22, and they're very, very, very stretchy, which is a must. So yeah, those are them. Pretty excited to give these a try. I don't know if I will keep them. I I don't have anything right now in this darker wash. Most of my jeans at this point are like a light or a medium wash, and these are pretty skinny at the bottom. So we'll just have to see what they look like, but they are pretty pricey. So that is that. Here's the green top I selected from my preview. I love green. I love jewel tones on me. I think they really complement my skin tone. And I thought this was cute because it's just like a basic, like rib knit long sleeve top. It's by the brand Nine Britain, but it had this cute little sleeve detail, which I thought made it a little bit special. This is in a size 3X. So the way that I am built, I am much larger on the top of my body than on the bottom. So I have, in comparison with the rest of me, relatively small legs and hips, but then I have a big belly, I have big arms, so I always do a 3X on top and then like a 2X equivalent on the bottom. So I really like that Stitch Fix can accommodate those sizes. It is the very top end of their sizing though, so if I ever get something that's a little bit too tight, I can't size up. So that's kind of a disappointment. I wish they would extend their sizes even further. I know that's asking a lot for retailers these days. It's tough to find really cute clothes in plus sizes. We have more options these days than we ever did when I was growing up, but still, they could be better. Anyway, here's the top. It actually looks like it might be a little bit roomy, which will be nice. It won't be skin tight. It feels very, very soft. Did I say it's by the brand Nine Britain, which I do have experience with from Stitch Fix in the past, and it's the Colmar long sleeve button detail knit top in dark green, and the price on that one is $45. Pricey, but super cute. Okay, the last item in my box here is a pair of shoes. I told her to just create a complete outfit for me. These feel a lot lighter than I expected because these are booties. I was expecting heavier weight to them. I'm kind of glad they're not super heavy because that tends to make it real difficult to walk around a ton. These are adorable. So they're sort of like a Chelsea boot style. Hopefully they will fit my cankles. They're black with a little bit of brown detailing. They're from the brand MIA. They are the Jada booty. I got them in a size 10, so hopefully these will fit. I usually wear between a 9 and a 10. And these are $74. Okay, so before I put everything on, let me just talk to you about totals here. So everything together is $326. There's the kitty cameo. That's a lot for one outfit. But if you buy all 5 items, you do get a discount of 25% off. So that would take $81.50, bringing the order subtotal to $244.50. Still a lot for just one outfit. That does include the boots in the bag though, so I mean those tend to be pricier items. I have a $5 promo or other credit. I'm not really sure where that came from, but I'll take it. And they take off the $20 styling fee for anything that you purchase, which would mean that my total, if I bought and kept everything, would be $219.50. So that's not too bad. Took it down from $326 to $219.50. Will I be keeping all 5 items? Probably not, but who knows? Maybe they'll be killer. So let me get everything on, figure out where to set up this camera so you guys can see what everything looks like on me, and yeah, let's go on to the try on. All right, so it's very echoey. I apologize. I'm filming this in a hallway because this was the best place that I could find to film. So super duper apologies for the quality. But here we have the outfit, and it's cute. I like it a lot. Do I love it? No. First of all, the shoes are cute. I'm gonna come up a little bit closer and chat with you guys. They're cute. They're very comfortable. But I have a pair that's very, very similar from Walmart. And I'll pop the footage for that in here. They look very similar. I don't think I need 2 pair of Chelsea booties. So not gonna keep the boots. Here are the boots that I currently own. So they're very similar. They are covered in dog hair, but they have the little Chelsea boot style with the fabric here. They're not quite as shiny. These are more of a suede, which I like better. So I'm not gonna keep the boots for sure. Everything else I'm kind of in love with. This bag is super cute. I don't know if it's $60 cute. Let me know what you guys think. The jeans fit me perfectly. They are really high-waisted, which is my favorite. I love the wash. I love the skinny ankle. Like I said, you can pry them from my cold dead hands. But once again, do I like them $99 worth? I don't know. Let me know down below what you think. The cardigan is cute. I love that it has pockets. I like the little hoodie detail. I have a lot of cardigans. I don't have a gray one. So this is a contender for sure. Let me take it off and show you guys. My favorite piece, the top. How pretty is this color? I love it. It's almost a little roomy. Like it doesn't feel tight, which my shirts always feel tight. Like I said, I carry most of my weight here and here, so it fits beautifully. I love the color. I like the neckline. I like the sleeve detail. So if anything, if I keep nothing else, I think I'm gonna keep this top. What do you guys think? All right, that's it. I do apologize for the structure of this video, the weird filming locations, but I got it done. Let me know what you guys think. What items should I keep? What items should I send back? I have a couple more days with this box, so I'd love to hear your opinion. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!